video 28 of this series, we showed you how you can change your bar styles from this to this. Well, in this video, we're going to show you how you can also change your worksheet by using highlight from this to this and even this. To begin with, you need to select the View tab at the top of your screen here, and then go along to this highlight feature here. And you can see it defaults to no highlight most of the time. So click on that and you can select the tasks that you wish to highlight on your worksheet. Now, of course, clicking on active tasks will obviously select the majority of your tasks, them being active. They'd have to be inactive for them not to be selected. But if you want to target a certain area, for example, you want to look at completed tasks, you can do this. You can highlight the completed tasks, or on the other side of the equation, you can certainly click incomplete tasks and it'll select those for you. You can see that's highlighted there fairly easily. What about critical tasks? Well, it can certainly do that as well. Go along here, scroll down and click critical tasks. It will highlight the tasks on your worksheet that sit on that critical part. And if you wish to pair it up with the bars, you can go to your Gantt chart format, select critical tasks, and it does it like so. So you can see here quite a nifty way to make your worksheet stand out. But what if you're not a fan of this canary yellow? Is there a way you can change that color? Well, the good news is yes, you can. And you can simply do this by going to the Gantt chart format and then selecting text styles there in the top left-hand corner of your screen. And when you do this, you'll be presented with a box here, which allows you to make adjustments to fonts and text styles, etc. Now we want to select under items to change, highlighted text. And there's highlighted text, click on that and you can see it goes to that canary yellow. So to change the background color, you can change it perhaps something a little more similar to our bar style. So I might select this orange-like color here, click OK, and there the texts and the cells within your worksheet on your Gantt chart changes to the desired color. So a very quick and easy way to make your project schedules and your Gantt charts stand out even more. Thank you for watching. We'd love to hear from you. Please leave a comment and please subscribe as well.